So, hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Sub-agents are specialized AI assistants with isolated context windows and customized system prompts. Think of them as expert teammates you can delegate specific tasks to. So, sub-agents are perfect when you need a self-contained task handled without cluttering your main conversation. They run in a separate context windows, so they don't assume the main agent's context budget. So let me show you how sub-agents work and how to use them effectively, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first, you have to understand the sub-agent architecture. Sub-agents operate in separate context windows from the main agent. This means they don't pollute your main conversation with verbose output. They have their own system prompts and tool permissions. They can also run in parallel with other sub-agents. As of the version 2, sub-agents can spam their own sub-agents as well, nested up to 5 levels deep. About the 5 agents, or about the sub-agents configuration, they are configured in .cloud/agent/files. Configurations includes the name, description, tools, the type, the purpose, the example, whatsoever. About the scale versus sub-agent, we have for the aspect, context for the skills, inline, main conversation, for sub-agents, isolated separate context window, and we have many differences. And that's here the main idea. So, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.